Today, I'm going to show you how to see and delete your Facebook Watch video history. It's quick and easy, so let's get started. First, let's talk about why you might want to manage your watch video history. Keeping track of what you watched can help you find great content again, but you might also want to delete it for privacy reasons or simply to declutter your history. Let's begin by opening facebook.com, or you can also open or launch the Facebook app. Now we need to access the activity login. Tap on the three horizontal lines. Scroll down and find settings and privacy and then tap on settings. Now scroll down and tap on activity log. In the activity log, you can find your watch video history. Select video from the options that appear and see all the videos you've watched. Confirm your choice when prompted. To delete a specific video, find the video you want to remove and tap on the three dots next to it and select delete to remove it from your history. If you want to clear your entire history, scroll to the bottom and tap on clear all. As you can see, I haven't watched any videos, so there are no videos yet. Confirm your choice when prompted. And that's it. You've successfully seen and deleted your Facebook Watch view history in just a few steps.